My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser redirections that are related to the site top.allresultsweb.com. The occurrence of these pop-ups by allresultsweb.com is most likely the source of some adware type program to be enabled in your computer. This adware may function as a special standalone program in the control panel, so you first need to check your control panel and go to Programs, select Uninstall a program and get rid of the programs that are suspicious and might cause such new tabs to open randomly in your browser. Also, pop-ups by allresultsweb.com may be the consequence of intrusive push notifications enabled in your browser. You may see these ads in the right bottom part of your screen. Sometimes these ads may also lead you to the all sorts of strange pop-up ads that will attack your computer screen periodically. So you need to disable such push notifications if they are indeed active. So go to the menu of your browser, go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, and in Permissions select Notifications. Pay attention to the Allow area and delete any malicious sites you find on this list. As I said, they might cause such troubles, so be sure to get rid of them completely. And as you see, while I'm removing these ads, the problem seems to be fixed and there are no more push notifications. I would also recommend you that you research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner. You may go to the official page combocleaner.com, download the software, and start carefully examining your computer with its help by clicking on the special button called Start Scan. The program will begin the analysis of your system. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner Premium version.